Here are the benefits of taking Shilajit resin. Its health benefits are incredible. Shilajit resin has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. It helps with weight loss and breaking down fat by boosting your metabolism. It reduces stress and anxiety. It helps to regulate the menstrual cycle and helps women with their overall reproductive health. And for men, it improves testosterone. It allows you to focus, helping with your brain. Shilajit actively helps in the removal of toxins and chemicals from your body. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can help with inflammation. Shilajit has anti-aging properties and is great for your skin and your hair. Shilajit helps to manage Alzheimer's and diabetes, and Shilajit improves the quality of your sleep. I use Natural Shilajit Resin, and you can check my bio if you want more information, but what I love about them is if you don't want to do the tar, because sometimes the tar doesn't taste that great, they also have the honey sticks, and they also have the supplements. So check my bio for more info.